Perfect for the summer. Let's go. Yo! The Glorious Dead Flatbush Zombies towel. The Flatbush Zombie Glorious Dead towel unboxing review video. You can check these out in the haul I just did. If you've seen that, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to do that. Like the video to support. I really appreciate it. That's the best way to show some support if you like the content. I post every day, so yes, make sure to check that out. And like I said, support. Like. That's the only way to get YouTube to spread it around, or just to get people to notice it, I guess. To balance out the haters. That's what I was trying to say. In a world full of hate, this is a throwback. 3001 laced Odyssey merch. Surprised this is even still available. That's what's so crazy about it. That's why I was like, you know what? This is sick. I'm gonna just cop it because, yeah, one of my favorite tracks, my favorite album, you know, my favorite merch. You had to do it. So this is very thin. I don't know. Is this thinner than the blue one? Because I have the blue one that sold out a long time ago. They're huge though. This one might be more thin. Maybe that's why they were cheaper. No, they're the same. I think they're the same. It's just kind of like this like terry cloth, like this like soft, not terry cloth, but like terry, what would you call it? Terry like cotton cloth kind of thing. It's kind of like it's like a cotton towel, but with this terry cloth kind of feel. So it's nice and like buttery, as they say, and dyed in rose and hell. This beautiful tie-dye, and the print is nice too. I thought it'd be more of like a shitty kind of like plastered on print, but it's a nice like actual inked on print, and it's the track RIPCD from their very first debut album, 3001. And then you hear some of the lyrics. So dope, bro. And I even got this. I bought 2 of the CDs for this album. I don't know if they sold out because they restocked them. So dusty. It must have been in their factory or in their warehouse for. Well, yeah, it's been in their warehouse since like when did and I'm getting my own. Oh, because I forgot their sweater. There's hair all over this sweater. Fuck. That's not good. I'm just gonna take this off. Oh. It's too hot. Oh. It's like so hot. It was supposed to be rainy and like cold, and then it's like, nope. Google lies, bro. So. Yes. This thing's been sitting around for like 5 or 6 years, I guess. Like that's when this came out, unless they're just like keep making new ones, but I don't think so. Like all their merch is limited until it sells out. I even like came across a poster that still, I bought it, but there's still some left, and it's like a 10-year-old drop. Like I don't know how like some slipped under the radar. Maybe they just found more in their warehouse. I don't know how that happened. It seems like they actually got like, they moved up to like get a real warehouse because everything's like packaged better and all that stuff. Ooh, this one towel I've been wanting for a long time as well. Like I was gonna cop this like so many times, and there was even a shirt I was gonna cop with this design. Does one of my shirts have it? I forget. No, something has it. I think I forget. But yeah, just this design, like the kind of like just like Glorious Dead skeleton. And I forgot about like this red Flatbush font is pretty dope. See, this is from 2021. So that's already like, this towel is already like, so this probably didn't come out with the album. It probably came out like a couple of years later when they like redropped like maybe for like their anniversary. I don't even know. Blah, 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 blah. It's already like 2 or 3 years old, like bro. But still so fire. They're very thin, but they're gigantic towels. Perfect for, well, I haven't used them, so I can't really comment on that. But they're perfect for decoration, just to like hang on the wall instead of like a poster. You get like this gigantic towel. It looks cooler. It's more 3D, more vibrant. It's more everything. It's just better for like a real substance decoration. And yes, oh, it is actually 50% cotton, 50% polyester. There you go. All their new stuff's like all 100% cotton. It's 50% organic and 50% reused cotton. Yeah, but these are half and half. I don't think they're organic. Whoa, these match. This dye is the same color, man. Whoa. They're so, so soft. I love the smell of new stuff, too. It's like new fabric. Oh. Straight from China. Just kidding. Straight from California, sitting in their warehouse. Smells like California, maybe. Well, I'm so happy with these. So fire. I don't know how I'm gonna record a preview for them because they're so big. Huh. Maybe I'll just have to wait till I use them. I'm not sure. Well, that's it for this video. One thing I did notice about this towel is that it's a bit smaller. So I don't think it says as long and I don't think it says wide. Even though I thought they were supposed to be the same dimensions, but I guess not. I just decided to hang it up. Goes with my Talking Terps theme, kind of. The summer theme. And then I'm gonna use the other one as an actual towel. I just love using them as tapestries. It's so dope. Super fire, super high quality. The best tapestry, nice material. Does absorb a lot of Maya's hair, but oh well. It's so fire, it's worth it. Love tie-dye. Flatbush, yes, you know what it is. Rap's most prolific merch universe. Let's go, the glorious dead. So fire. Time to take a glorious bath. My beautiful towel. You see, I got the trippy matching situation going on. So yes, we're gonna dive right into this beautiful towel. Time to take a shower.